Welcome back to the KC Abode Show. My name is Chrissy Frazier and I serve the amazing people of Lenexa and Shawnee. Today we're talking all about remodeling versus moving. Having been through 2 home renovations, I know what it takes to transition your space and quite honestly might be a little addicted to the before and after transformations. I'm sure you've seen that TV show where a family has outgrown their space, but one of the partners just doesn't want to leave, so they decide to renovate. If the renovations aren't fixing the issue, only then do they move. I'm exhausted just thinking about it. And let's face it, reality TV isn't always real. So living in a construction zone while shopping for a new house that you might not buy? No way. That's what I don't recommend doing. So let's break it down. A lot of times people get frustrated with their space. They've had another baby, they've fallen out of love with their condo, they started dreaming of retiring in a smaller space near the beach. Whatever the reason, it's very important to identify why you're considering a move and then go from there. So here's 6 things to think about. Can it be fixed easily? If you want an updated kitchen, swapping out fixtures, painting new cabinets, buying new appliances, it's a pretty easy fix. But if you want a bigger kitchen, you're going to have to move. Can you deal with contractors? Hiring an interior designer or a general contractor to manage your project will help, but renovations will require you to work through multiple companies and contractors on a daily basis. You'll be dependent on their timeline, their expertise, their quality of work. If you don't want people coming in and out of your house for weeks, it may be time to move into a turnkey home. Can you live in a mess for a while? Renovations can be dusty, dirty. They shrink an already hard to navigate environment. Tools will be everywhere. Equipment will be everywhere. People will be everywhere. So is renovation going to get in the way of your school, work, or travel? If so, something turnkey might be appealing. Can you tolerate a move? You may dread the thought of having to pack up your entire home while paying a moving company thousands of dollars to move that armoire through the front door. And if that sounds undesirable to you, it may cause you to stay. So do you love your location? If the view, zoning, corner lot, or amazing neighbors are the reason why you moved to your current house to begin with, moving may not be the answer. In this case, you would be better to renovate the inside of the home to match the amazing benefits of the outside of the home. So no matter what you decide, it's important to have a good realtor to help you navigate and understand how the renovations will affect your home value and help you decide if you're better off packing up and moving to a new space. And that's where I can help. There may also be a meet-in-the-middle solution I can help you with, finding the new layout, size, offerings, and help navigate what updating that might cost versus updating your current space that's not giving you what you need. My 2 live-by pieces of advice I can give you are, number 1, buy location you want, and then number 2, buy the architecture you want, because everything can be updated. And you can't just build tall ceilings or walk-out basements that you desire. So at this point, you might be convinced that you may need some guidance around the area of renovating a current home versus moving to a new one. But you may also be thinking that you have no idea where to start. If you're thinking about making a move, I can help you through the process. Just send me a message or text me at 816-518-4181. No pressure, no sales tactics, just the guidance and help that you need. Finally, if you're a resident of Johnson County, I want to let you know that you can follow me on Facebook at KCABODE or Instagram at KC_abode. Please feel free to post any questions or comments in the comments box. I always go back after the videos and just answer any questions in the comments section. And then I really appreciate you guys joining me today, and I'll see you in the next episode.